Do you get the iPhone 8 Plus or wait for the iPhone 10? Welcome to the question that will linger through the holidays. Now the iPhone 10 looks like the complete package, but we haven't reviewed it yet and we won't know what it's like for a while. Until then, the 8 Plus is the best phone that Apple sells, and it's definitely better than the 7 Plus, but it's improved in ways you're probably not going to show off to your friends. It has a nice glossy glass back, and it's wireless Qi compatible, and the processor is definitely a nice upgrade. But if you want some of those fancier features, you might want to wait for the 10. This isn't the sports car, but it's definitely the nice utility vehicle with a great engine. Its upgraded camera sensors take better low-light photos, and it shares a similar A11 processor to the iPhone 10. The 8 Plus dual cameras are great. Portrait mode is improved and allows extra controls, but there's also portrait lighting, a beta mode that adds simulated 3D lighting to photos. Sometimes the effects are amazing, other times feels forced. New compressed video formats allow 4K video at 60 frames per second and 1080p slow-mo at 240. But the iPhone 10 cameras could be even better. The 8 Plus is extremely speedy, but its 5.5-inch 1080p display is no different than last year, except for adding Apple's True Tone technology, which adjusts color temperature to match ambient light. It does make the display look better, but the iPhone 10 will get a 5.8-inch OLED display that could be even better than this. Apple's newest iPhone trick is augmented reality, the ability to float realistic 3D objects on top of the real world. Now, ARKit requires an iPhone 6s or later, so that means that older iPhones can use it, but the new iPhone 8 processors and the iPhone 10s should be able to run them even better. If you're skeptical about the idea of Face ID or getting rid of the home button completely on the iPhone 10, the iPhone 8 Plus offers a great set of chips in a very familiar body. It's available now, and you don't have to wait. Then again, for an upcharge, you are going to get a larger screen, better telephoto camera, better front-facing camera in a smaller design on the 10. The safe bet for someone who doesn't want all that is the iPhone 8 Plus. Maybe the safest thing to do is wait.